students. Today we start algebra of matrices. First type is given transpose of matrix. So what is the meaning of this? Now check. The matrix obtained by interchanging rows and columns of matrix say A is called as transpose of matrix A. It is denoted by A dash or A raised to capital T. Now order of matrix A is m by n. Then after interchanging the rows and columns, we are getting the transpose of matrix A. So order of that transpose of matrix A is n by m. For example, matrix A is given here. How many rows? 3 rows are here. First, second, third, 3 rows. And how many columns? 2 columns. So order is 3 by 2. So we are taking the transpose of this matrix A. So A dash is equal to, we are interchanging the rows and columns. First column is -1, 3 and 4, that we write as a first row, and second column, that is a 5 minus 2 7, that we write as a second row. So order is changed here. So interchanging rows and columns, order of transpose matrix is 2 by 3. Next type is symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij, having the order n by n because it is a square matrix, so rows and columns are same, in which important condition is given here. Aij is equal to Aji is called as symmetric matrix. It is a represent or showing in this example. Now see that. So we are knowing the position of the elements as per the rows and columns. First one is A11, next one is A12, 1 3, then second row first column, second row second column, and second row third column. Next one is third row first column, third row second column, and third row third column. So check the position. This condition we are satisfied. So A12 is equal to A21. So same element present in the matrix. Next A13 and A31, same element present here. A32 and A23, same element present, and diagonal elements are any. So this type of matrix is called as a symmetric matrix. Note is given, diagonal matrices and null square matrix are also a symmetric matrix. Next type is skew symmetric matrix. A square matrix A is equal to Aij, having the order n by n. An important condition is given here. Aij is equal to minus Aji is called as a skew symmetric matrix. Here for I is equal to j, therefore Aij is equal to minus Aji. This condition is given. So this minus Aji we are taking on the left hand side. So 2 times, because I and j is the same, that's why 2 times ai equal to 0. 2 is shifting on that side, so ai is equal to 0, that is for all I values 1 2 3 up to n. For example, matrix B is equal to, so elements are as per the position. Aij equal to minus Aj, here 4, then minus 4, here plus 7, then here minus 7. Here this position is a third row and second column. So A32, so opposite element present at the position second row and third column. So A23, here minus 5, here plus 5, and diagonal elements according to these conditions, here 0. So in this way, this is the next type. Some conditions or some notes are given here. Check that. We are taking the transpose of a given matrix, and again one more time we are taking the transpose, so we are getting original matrix. If A is a symmetric matrix, then A original matrix A and transpose of matrix, that is the same. If B is a skew symmetric matrix, then original matrix B is equal to minus transpose of a matrix B. A null square matrix is also a skew symmetric matrix, and determinant of A is equal to the same value of determinant of A transpose. So these notes are you remember. Next type is equality of two matrices. Now two matrices A and B are said to be equal if two conditions are given. When we see that the given two matrices are equal or not. So first condition is order of A matrix and order of B matrix required equal. And second one, corresponding elements of A and B are same. That is Aij equal to Bij for all I and j. I means row and j means column number. Symbolically, so matrix A and B are equal. For example, check here. Matrix A is given having the order 2 by 3 and matrix B is given here having the order 3 by 2. So here order is not same. That's why we say that order of A and B is not same, and that's why both the matrices are not equal. But we are taking the transpose of matrix B, then B transpose is equal to, we are interchanging the rows and columns. So order is what? 2 by 3. Now check the order of matrix A and this transpose of matrix B is the same, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, and that's why we say that order of A and B transpose is the same. That's why matrix A and transpose of matrix B, both matrices are equal. One more example is given here. Now check that if first matrix 2A minus B 4 and minus 7 2 is equal to one more matrix given on the right hand side, that is a 1 4 and minus 7 A plus 3B, then find the value of A and B. By equality of matrices, corresponding elements are same, so compare the elements. First one 2A minus B is equal to 1 and second one A plus 3B is equal to 2. So these two equations are quadratic type of equations, simultaneous type of equations. So solve it, that you already learn in standard 10. So equation 1 multiplied by 3 we get 6A minus 3B is equal to 3. This is equation number 3, and compare with the 2. So coefficient of B is the same, 3 and 3 having plus and minus sign. So adding equation 2 and 3 we get. After addition, what happened? See that we are adding these two equation number 2 and 3, plus 3B minus 3B cancel, 7A is equal to 5, and therefore value of A is equal to 5 by 7. This value of A 5 by 7 we are substituting in any one equation here, 1 or 2. Now check. We are substituting that value A 5 upon 7 equation number 2. Therefore 5 upon 7 plus 3B is equal to 2. 5 upon 7 taking on right hand side, so 2 minus 5 by 2. After cross multiplication, 14 minus denominator of 1 is 2, so 7 2s are 14 minus 5 1s are 5 upon 7, so 9 upon 5. So left hand side is a 3B, is 3 also shift on that side, then divide, so 3 1s are and 3 3s are. So we are getting the answer of B is 5 upon 3. So in this way we find out the value of A and B that is given in question. One note is given here, if A is equal to B, then B also is equal to A in case of matrices also. Next type is addition of two matrices. If A and B are the two matrices of the same order, then addition A plus B obtained by adding the corresponding element of A and B with the same order. For example, matrix A is given here having the order 2 by 3. Matrix B also given here having the order 2 by 3. So order is same, so addition is possible. That's why find A and B. So corresponding elements we are adding. Here A and B have the same order, therefore addition possible. So we are making the addition. A plus B is equal to, we are making the corresponding elements add. Here 2 plus of minus 4. Next 3 plus 3, that is right here. Then 1 plus 1, that we write here. Minus 1 plus 5, next element. Minus 2 plus 7, and last one 0 plus of minus 8. As per the sign we calculate the answer. So we are getting the answer of addition of matrix A plus B having the same order. One more question given. Two matrices are given here. Matrix A is having the order 3 by 2. Matrix B is also given having the order same 3 by 2. So find A minus B. We are find out the subtraction here of these two given matrices. Here A and B have the same order. That's why subtraction is possible. Now see that. Therefore A minus B is equal to, that we write as A plus of minus B, meaning is same. So matrix A minus matrix B. So we are changing the sign here of matrix B and write here plus sign as per this rule. So is equal to, after addition or subtraction, so minus 1 minus of minus plus 1, then 4 plus of minus 5 because here minus sign, then 3 plus of minus 2, then minus 2 minus of minus 6, that is a plus 6, then 0 minus 4, and last one 5 minus 9. As per the sign we calculate the answer. We are getting the answer of A minus B. In this way we are making the addition or subtraction of the two matrices. Next type is scalar multiplication of a matrix. If A is any matrix and K is one scalar, scalar means any number, then matrix obtained by multiplying each element of A by the scalar K is called as scalar multiplication of matrix A. It is denoted by K into A. Condition is given here. Now check that. If A matrix is given Aij having the order m by n and K is any scalar, then K into A means nothing but we are multiplying by that scalar K to each element in matrix A. So that we write in general format K into Aij having the order m by n. For example, matrix A is given here having the order 3 by 2 and value of K, that is one scalar, that is a 3 by 2, then find K into A. So therefore K into answer, K into A is equal to, K value is a 3 by 2 multiplied by A means matrix A, that we substitute here, then by 3 by 2 multiplied to each element inside the matrix, and that's why 3 by 2 multiplied by minus 1, so minus 3 by 2, 3 by 2 multiplied by 5, then 15 upon 2, 3 by 2 multiplied by 3, so 9 by 2, 3 by 2 multiplied by minus 2, so answer is minus 3. 3 by 2 multiplied by 4, so answer is 6, and 3 by 2 multiplied by 7, answer is 21 upon 2. That is the answer having the same order. This is the answer of K into A. Check there. That is the answer of K into A. See on the previous page. That is over. So important conditions are given. According to the condition we find out the answer. All are getting? Next one, some properties are given of addition and scalar multiplication. See that if three matrices A, B, C are given here for addition and alpha, beta are the two scalars. So A plus B equal to B plus A, that is called as a matrix addition of commutative. Matrix addition is commutative. Then addition of three matrices is like this. A plus B first we are doing, and then afterward add into the matrix C, that is equal to. Then first of all we are making the addition of B and C matrix, and then answer is add into the A, that is the same, that is called as matrix addition is associative. A matrix A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A means A. That's why that is called as 0 matrix addition is the identity for matrix addition. Next property is given A, matrix A plus minus matrix A is equal to minus of matrix A plus A is equal to answer 0. Therefore, that is indicated as a 0 or O. So, that is the 0 matrix with matrix A for addition. Next, alpha into A plus of minus B. So, we are multiplying by alpha. Alpha is one scalar to both the matrices A and B. So, alpha into A plus minus alpha into B. Next, two scalars alpha plus or minus beta, that is multiplied to matrix A, then that is equal to alpha into A plus or minus beta into A. Next one, alpha multiplied by beta multiplied by A. So anyway you are doing the multiplication. So first of all we are doing the multiplication of scalar alpha into beta, and then afterward multiply to the matrix A. O or 0 into matrix A, answer is 0. So these are the properties are given related to the addition and scalar multiplication. Next we are solving some examples. Exercise number 2. Here 3 matrices are given having the order. Check now. Matrix A is given, B is given, C is given. Show that A plus B equal to B plus A. So in show that we are taking the left hand side and right hand side, and then afterward compare the answer. In left hand side we find the addition of A plus B. So matrix A plus matrix B. So addition is how we are doing the addition? Corresponding element, that is a 2 plus of minus 1. Next one, minus 3 and 2 plus 2. Then 5 plus 2, minus 6 plus 2. Check here. Then minus 6 plus 0, and last one 1 and 3. According to sign we are find out the answer here. That is the final answer of A plus B. Next, right hand side B plus A. So matrix B plus matrix A. Make the addition of the corresponding elements as per their position and see the answer. After addition we are getting this answer. Now compare these two matrices. I will show. Compare these two matrices. Check there. From this left hand and right hand side, what we are getting? LHS equal to RHS, and that's why A plus B is equal to B plus A. That is verified. Next question we solve here. If matrix A is given, B is given and C is given, find the matrix X such that one equation is given 3A minus 4B plus 5X equal to C. Now given 3A minus 4B plus 5X is equal to C. Therefore, we find the value of X. So that is remains keep as it is on the left hand side. 5X is equal to C minus 3A plus 4B. Now substitute the matrices now. Now matrix C is here. Minus 3 into matrix A plus 4 into matrix B. So first of all we are doing the scalar multiplication here by 3 and here 4. We are getting the two matrices here multiplied by minus 3 to the element. So we are making the addition here plus sign. After multiplication now we are making the addition of the corresponding element. Now see that. Corresponding elements we are adding here. Now here 2 plus of minus 3. So 2 minus 3 minus 4. Next one 4 plus 6 minus 8, that we write here. Next one minus 1 minus 9 plus 16. Then I will show again. Here minus 4 plus 15 plus 8, that we write here as per the position. Then plus minus 3 plus 18 plus 4. And last one 6 plus 0 and plus 20. As per the sign you make the addition and subtraction, you are getting the final answer. But what is the left hand side? That is a 5x. So 5x is equal to this answer is obtained. So 5 is multiplied here, shift on the right hand side. So x is equal to 1 upon 5 into that matrix. So 1 upon 5 means divide by 5 to the each element in this matrix. So we are getting the answer of matrix X is equal to divide by 5 to all the elements. We are getting the answer. In this way we find out the answer. Next one, Now we find out the transpose. Here A matrix is given 5 1 minus 4 and 3 2 0. So find out 2 time transpose of matrix A. Now given matrix A is given here, that we write as it is, having ordered 2 rows and 3 columns 2 by 3. We are taking the transpose. The A transpose is equal to interchange the rows and columns. So instead of 2 by 3, what is the order? 3 by 2. So first row interchange to the first column and second row interchange to the second column. One more time we are taking the transpose of the matrix. So transpose of A matrix, again we are taking the transpose. Again interchange the rows and columns. Now see that your first row interchange to the first column interchange to the first row, that is 5 1 minus 4, and second column interchange to the second row 3 2 0, and compare the original matrix A and 2 time transpose of the matrix A. These two answers are same, that's why verified. So 2 time transpose of original matrix is equal to matrix A. Next question, find XYZ if matrix is given here and condition is a skew symmetric matrix. So given matrix we are writing here, condition is given skew symmetric matrix. What is the condition for skew symmetric matrix? Aij equal to minus Abi for all the values of I and j. So compare the position of the elements. So Aij equal to Aji. So first one, these two position we compare. So y is equal to what? Minus 5i, but actually condition Aij equal to minus Aj, I should change the sign. So y is equal to what? 5i. Next one, compare the x and this 3 by 2. So here plus 3 by 2, we are getting the answer minus 3 by 2 as per the condition Aij equal to minus Aji. Next one, z is equal to minus of minus root 2. So answer is plus root 2. So as per the condition given skew symmetric matrix, as per the position of the elements, we find out the answer. Next one, solve the following equations for x and y if condition is given to 3x minus y equal to 1 matrix and x minus 3y is equal to second matrix. So this matrix consider as a second matrix consider as a B. Then we are getting the forming the equation 3x minus y is equal to this matrix is a and next one x minus 3y is equal to this matrix is a B matrix. So these two equations are simultaneous equation. As per the rule of simultaneous equation, we find out the answer. So equation 1 multiplied by 3 we get, that is a 9x minus 3y is equal to 3a. Equation number 3, compare equation number 2 remains as it is here, minus 3y minus 3y. So same sign is there. So subtracting equation 3 and 2 we get. So we are making the subtraction. So here change the sign, minus plus and here minus. Minus 3y plus 3y cancel, 9x minus x, that is a 8x is equal to 3a minus b. Therefore x is equal to what? X is equal to minus 1 upon 8 into 3a minus b. Therefore that 8 is multiplied here, shift on the right hand side. So 1 upon 8 into this bracket 3a minus b. Now 1 upon 8 into, that is multiplied to whole bracket. So 3 into matrix A minus matrix B. Solve this. Multiplied by 3 to this matrix. So we are getting the answer. Then minus second matrix B. Do the subtraction. So subtraction in the matrices, that is 3 minus 0. Then minus 3 minus of minus 1. Then minus 3 minus 0 and 3 minus of minus 1. As per the sign you find out the answer. So minus 1 by 8 remains as it is here. Answer is obtained, that is a 3 minus 2 minus 3 plus 4. So 8 is divided on the outside, then divide by 8 to all element in this matrix. So we are getting the answer 3 by 8 minus 2 by 8 minus 3 by 8 and 4 by 8. Reduce the reduce some elements. So we are obtain the answer of X matrix is 3 by 8 minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 8 and 1 by 2. That is the answer of X matrix. Next one. From equation number 1, 3x minus y equal to a. Therefore, we find the value of y. So, y is taken on the right hand side and a is taken on left hand side. So, y is equal to what? 3x minus a. Substitute the value. So, 3 into matrix x minus matrix a. Then here multiplied by 3 to this matrix first. After multiplication, we are obtain these values minus matrix a. Then do the subtraction. So 9 upon 8 minus 1 minus 3 by 4 minus of minus 1. Then 9 upon minus 9 upon 8 minus of minus 1 and 3 by 2 minus 1 that we write here. So as per the sign and basic rule, you find out the answer. So we are getting the answer of y matrix is here, that is 1 upon 8, 1 by 4 minus 1 upon 8 and 1 by 2. In this way we find out the answers of matrix X and Y. Last question of the today's topic, that is find the value of X and Y. If these two matrices are given here, this is a one matrix, one matrix plus second matrix is equal to, on the right hand side one more matrix is given for equating. So what is given, that we write as it is. Then first of all we are making the addition of these two matrices, that we write here. Corresponding elements we add, 2x plus y plus of minus 1, so minus 1. Then minus 1 plus 6, 1 plus 4. Next one, 3 plus 3, 4y plus 0 and 4 plus 3. As per the sign we calculate the answer. Check there. We are making the addition. Here 5, 1 plus 4 5, 3 plus 3 6, that is 4y remains, 4 plus 3 7. Right hand side matrix remains as it is. Now using definition of equality of matrices, we are equating the coefficient. Now how are you equating the coefficient? 2x plus y minus 1 is equal to 3, equation number 1. And second, 4y is equal to 18. So 4 is multiplied, shift on the right hand side. So y is equal to 18 upon 4 reduced to, that is 9 by 2. This value of y substituting in equation number 1, then 2x plus 9 by 2 equal to 4 plus 9 by 2 taking on the right hand side, then minus 9 by 2. Denominator of 4 is 1 here. Denominator of 4 is 1 here. Do the cross multiplication. So 8 minus 9 by 2. Answer is minus 1 by 2. 2 is multiplied here. Shift on the right hand side. So divide. Then minus 1 upon 2 into 2. So we are getting the answer of x is minus 1 by 4. In this way we find out the value of x and y if the matrices condition given in the question. So all are getting about today's topic. Some extra questions are given in exercise. Try to solve from the exercise. Thank you.